Good evening everyone, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to adjust the speed of the built-in trackpad on the MacBook Pro. Let's begin this tutorial. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on the Apple icon on the top left. Then we're going to click on the option that says System Preferences. And then we're going to go into the third row of icons and we're going to click on the option that says Trackpad. And then we're going to click on the section that says Point and Click. And then you're going to scroll down until you see an option that says Tracking Speed. Now all you have to do is move the slider to left or right. If you move it to the right, the speed of the trackpad goes faster. If you move the speed of the trackpad towards the left, it'll become slower. Please choose the speed that's best for your needs. If you have found this tutorial to be helpful, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.